Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to report a problem. We're a startup company. We just started. Software development is hard sometimes. There's a lot of versions, a lot of models. So sometimes we push an update and something breaks. Don't be alarmed. We usually fix these things within 24 hours if you report them to us properly. And that means that you give us all the information that we need to reproduce the problem. If we can reproduce it, we can fix it. Okay. So in the app, let's say this is the phone you're testing here on the left. Um, this is the home screen. You know that if you tap on the logo in the left upper corner, you open the hidden secret menu. And in that hidden secret menu, apart from leaving general feedback here at the bottom, um, what can we improve? We get a message from this. This is in general. So if you have like a feature request or some general feedback, don't go and spam our App Store wall. Only go there if you want to leave a 5-star review. Otherwise, just stay in your dungeon. Um, if you want to give a feature specific problem or bug, you go to view report. Okay, there's the second menu. And here you see all the tests that you did. And let's say here with volume control, you had a problem because I know the buttons didn't capture your clicks, but they are in fact working. You click report a problem, and then you basically says my buttons work fine. This is a test. Okay. You can upload media. Please do so if that helps you explain the problem. Like if there's a screen jumping or something weird is going on, if you can show us, 10 times better. Okay. So upload a photo or video to support your report and then click submit. Okay. And then immediately you will see now at the volume control, you have a little bug icon on the left, right? And if you click that, you can actually see your report. And if you would have uploaded a photo or video, it would be there as well. Now, that was the volume control. So let's refresh the report. We include these bug reports in the reports so that let's say you fail volume control, but it actually working fine, the person you share this report with knows that you did a bug report and you can get away with it not working. Well, it actually was. Okay. Very simple. This is the way we would like you to communicate with us. Because if you do it this way, we get all the information of your device. So we can get a similar device to redo the test. We get your version ID, we get your iOS version, like all these things. So please don't send us emails or WhatsApp messages because it just doesn't work. Okay. Report your problems through this interface and we will do our best to have it fixed within 24 hours. Okay. So much for reporting problems. If you like our app, don't forget to give us a 5-star on the App Store because we're worth it. Okay. See you on the flip side.